Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another vlog, and guess this vlog is going to be in in Dubai. We are in Dubai. So I have not made any vlog for almost a month. So I thought of making this vlog in Dubai because I want to keep this as memory. तो दुबई में व्लॉग तो बनता है ना एंड So this was the view of my hotel in Dubai. It was named as Al Chadaf Marriott and it was exceptionally beautiful. I really liked the interior of this hotel, and let's see how my room looks like. This is my pretty looking room where I stayed for 35 hours. This was really beautiful. The bedding was done nicely, and the view from this curtain was also very beautiful. I could not capture that. And this has a beautiful mirror where I could capture a lot of photos, and I really liked it. She's my roommate. And then we went for our breakfast in the morning. Let me tell you a very funny thing. What happened was I went in my pajama to the breakfast, but the lady on the counter asked me to change to casuals because we are not allowed to go in our nightwear in Dubai for the breakfast book. So I quickly returned back to my room, changed my clothes, and then had my breakfast. So I would like to advise you that if you're going for your breakfast buffet, have your casuals on. And trust me, the breakfast lounge was really beautiful and huge. It has a long walkway to the breakfast dining area. We went there and then we had our breakfast. This was for the breakfast that I had. This is my room in Dubai, and this is my roommate. Do you like Dubai? Abhi tak to we haven't explored.
So far, it's good.
It's good?
Yes.
Did you like the food?
I did.
अभी we had ब्रेकफास्ट. अभी हमने बहुत अच्छे से एकदम फुल ब्रेकफास्ट किया है एंड वी एक्चुअली लाइक द ब्रेकफास्ट. एंड नाउ अभी हम जा रहे हैं. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम?
मीना बाजार.
ये हम जा रहे हैं दुबई का मीना बाजार. तो आई विल ट्राई टू रिकॉर्ड देयर ऑल्सो ताकि मैं इस व्लॉग में अपलोड कर सकूँ. एंड आई विल add as much as videos I can so that if you want to visit Dubai, you will have an idea where to visit, how to visit. So I'll also tell you what transport I'm taking to that place, everything, and I'll try to add as much as possible. So stay tuned and let's start this vlog in Dubai. Alright, so we have left our room and we are heading towards the lift because we've already missed our shuttle as I was late, and then now we are planning to go by a taxi. It will cost us around 20 to 25 dirhams to go to nearest metro station. So the nearest metro station to this hotel was Dubai Healthcare City Metro. We've taken this taxi. It costed us 20 dirham to be exact. The nearest metro station to Meena Bazaar is Sharaf DJ. So basically if you are taking metro, it will cost you less as compared to taxi. So we thought of going to Dubai Healthcare Metro City, and then from there we took metro. It costed us around 6 to 7 dirhams. Also, when you're returning back by metro and if you show your previous metro card, they also discount you some money on your return ticket. So that is also the best thing which will help you to save money while exploring Dubai on layovers or if you have booked a trip. It's so hot in Dubai, like ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे धूप मेरे मुंह पे चाटे मार रही है. सो राइट नाउ वी गोइंग मीना बाज़ार. उसके लिए हमने हमारी शटल मिस कर दी है. शटल का कुछ टाइमिंग होता है पर वी हैव मिस दैट टाइमिंग. तो अभी वी हैव कम बाय द टैक्सी. तो अभी हम मेट्रो स्टेशन पे आए हैं विच इज़ सम तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ द नेम. अभी मैं बताऊंगी क्या नाम है. आई थिंक सम मेडिकल करके, हॉस्पिटल करके. तो इस यहाँ से वील गो मीना बाज़ार. We'll take the metro and then we'll go to Meena Bazaar from here. We are heading towards metro. उसमें दिखा नहीं रहा है कहीं पे 19 वो 2 नंबर
बुजुमन का लेना पड़ेगा, बुजुमन से हमें चेंज करके
We have reached the nearest metro station to Meena Bazaar. This is Sharaf DG and it has cost us 6 dirhams each for the metro. These are Dubai streets. Dubai is really nice. कितना ज़्यादा मस्त लग रहा है ना. So we are heading towards Meena Bazaar. इस एयरपोर्ट से
सुना यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना, ये रूल्स अलग है निदान को
वॉकिंग वाला ना, ये क्रॉस करने का क्या रूल्स है इनका? स्टेशन इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रीफ नहीं पढ़ा था क्या? क्या लिखा था? यही है क्या मीना बाजार? So it was around 5 to 10 minutes walking distance from the metro station. We are at the shop Giordano in Meena Bazaar and यहाँ पे अभी जो मेरे साथ एक crew है, she has come to change one jeans. तो we have come here and बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है. Let me tell you, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी. Like Delhi, मुंबई की गर्मी कुछ भी नहीं है. The गर्मी that you feel here in Dubai, it is hot, insane. Then we have come to a shop where we were getting a good set of bags. So I and one crew have purchased a bag from here. We have purchased it around 40 dirhams each. So we have bargained a lot. And this is the bag that I will add the photo if possible. We are leaving Meena Bazaar and we are going to Al Karama, which is a day-to-day. No, I'm not lying. We are heading towards the metro. We'll take the metro. उसके बाद हम जाएंगे अल करामा डे टू डे स्टोर. तो वहाँ पे क्या रहता है ना, वहाँ पे सारा ही डे टू डे का सामान रहता है. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो चीप. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू विजिट एंड सी ऑल द थिंग्स जो भी अवेलेबल हैं दुबई में,
एडी 2 में है शायद.
यू कैन गो. यू वांट टू? We are having lemon juice here. अच्छा होता है?
I don't know.
So how much is the price?
1 dirham, I guess.
1 dirham. So you'll get lemon juice here for 1 dirham. We also have sugarcane juice here. आपके शॉप का नाम?
बता दीजिए सर.
1 मिनट दे दो ना.
अरे इतना? नहीं सर, नहीं पहले आप बताओ, आपने तो देखा हुआ है ना. हाँ सर, आपकी शॉप का नाम बताओ, फेमस करते हो इंडिया इधर.
आपका हाँ ये शॉप का नाम बताओ.
Sweets and nuts, very good nuts.
And sweets.
And discount also is.
Yes, and
क्वालिटी सबसे
if you come after following me, so you'll get extra discount. है ना सर? Thumbs up, no?
Definitely.
तो वो डिस्काउंट हमें.
So this is Dubai Metro for you. It was similar to Delhi Metro or Mumbai Metro, but basically it was well maintained and well behaved, because absolutely it is Dubai, not India, right? I would like to advise you that if you want to explore Dubai and want to save your money, definitely use metro route. In prior only installed metro map and check wherever you want to visit, because it is very nice. You get to see such beautiful views from the metro. Also you save your money, so that is the best deal. After returning back, we took this taxi back to our hotel. So the taxi costed us 20 dirhams and we have split it in 3 because we 3 went to Meena Bazaar. So this was my outfit of the day. I could not record in the morning, so I recorded it after returning back. We are going to see what? Yes, we are going to Dubai Mall and I will show you Burj Khalifa. Get ready. So just wait for that. So this is the shuttle that we are taking to Dubai Mall, and it like the hotel provides us this shuttle. So the shuttle was completely empty. It was me and my roommate who was there in the shuttle. So we enjoyed, we took a lot of photos, and this was our way to Dubai Mall. The shuttle driver was really nice. He was from Chandigarh, so we had a lot of conversation about many things, and then he guided us also. He have shown us a lot of things like the Dubai Palace and everything. This is Burj Khalifa from distance, and I was really excited to go to Dubai Mall and see it from the front. It was really beautiful. I would say Dubai streets are really nice, clean, and well maintained. It is constructed well, and Dubai is known as Dubai for a reason. And whatever reviews I've heard from a lot of people, I have seen it, witnessed it by my own eyes, and I really like the view, how it is maintained. Everything was very, very nice. This is the entrance in Dubai Mall from where your shuttle drops you. Also, the shuttle pickup is also done from here only. So we have to remember the place and we have to return back to this place to get the shuttle. And as we told you, the shuttle has the timings. You have to be on time. पहुंच चुके हैं हम Dubai Mall. Just few steps away from Burj Khalifa. I'll also show you. It's the way, no? This is the way. Hello.
7 को शो चालू हो बोल रही थी मम्मी
हाँ तो फाउंटेन शो मस्ट हैव स्टार्टेड हाँ ये दिस इज द व्यू I'll show you the fountain show also from Dubai Mall. This is Dubai Mall and we are heading towards fountain show क्योंकि fountain show start हो जाता है 7 बजे and we thought of not missing it, so let's just go and see the fountain show quickly. This is huge. This is a cute Dubai. This is so pretty. On the way to the fountain show, you get to see this aquarium and underwater zoo. So basically, you get to have ticket to go inside and witness the beauty of this aquarium. But we could not do that because you know we went to Meena Bazaar and we have spent all of our allowance in shopping. So we got the chance to see this from outside only. And why to waste money if you can see it from outside only? It's better, right? I'm kidding. If you want to go inside, you'll get a much more and nice view. Guys, कितना ज़्यादा beautiful है. This is aquarium. This is so beautiful. It's huge and it's beautiful. See, ये देखो. It is beautiful, isn't it?
yes very beautiful
बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है. We've just seen.
भी है यहाँ
हाँ और हमने सिर्फ बाहर से देखा है एक्वेरियम. Do you want to go to in the aquarium inside?
let's not
बाहर
waste our
से.
time
Exactly, not the time, also not money. Because if you can see it from the outside only, why to go inside?
Yes.
But I think अंदर जाके थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा experience होगा.
like
But it's okay. We don't want to waste money. We don't have money. This is Dubai washroom, and as you know, it is Dubai, so the washroom is also huge. Okay, the wait is ending. 3, 2, 1. Presenting Burj Khalifa for you. This is huge. This is very nice. I would like to tell you that actually we have missed the fountain show because it was not available because of some maintenance. Pakad, hold. Are you tired? Very, very tired.
Oh, happy village. Oh, होगा भी है क्या?
हाँ, तो इसका नाम फूड कोर्ट है.
अंदर जाना है.
आई ऑल्सो डोंट थिंक इसके अंदर कुछ है अलग से. यू हैव टू चेक कुछ और. हाँ, होगा. इट इज है उसके अंदर फूड कोर्ट. अभी बहुत तेज़ भूख लग रही है सुबह से, बिकॉज जो हमारा होटल है उसमें सिर्फ हमें ब्रेकफास्ट का इंटाइटलमेंट मिला है. एंड वी आर रियली हंग्री बिकॉज सुबह हमने सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट किया, उसके बाद से हमने कुछ भी नहीं खाया है. एंड अभी रात के क्या टाइम हो रहा है? व्हाट इज़ द टाइम इन दुबई राइट नाउ?
8:44.
हाँ,
इंडिया
it's
में अभी 10 हो रहा है. 10
हाँ, इट्स 8:44 एंड इन इंडिया इट्स 10. सो अभी हमारी जो वापसी की शटल है वो भी हमें होटल से मिलने वाली है. सो दैट विल बी एट अराउंड 9:50. So by that time we will have something and then we'll leave. So we had a lot of fun. We have seen aquarium, we have seen fountain show का जगह, but not get the chance to see fountain show because it is closed because of some maintenance issue. And then we've seen Burj Khalifa. We've made a lot of videos. I'm going to upload those videos soon. So let's just see what happens next. This is what we had in 29 dirhams from
What just
mall.
happened is I've lost my card.
I've lost my Axis Bank card.
But savior, the person on the counter called me and he has given me this card. I'm such a stupid dumb. I've left my card there in the machine. So irresponsible of me. Yes, I am very lucky यार. Otherwise, उसने बेचारे ने called me, asked me कि आपका card is kept in. This is Dubai. Anything is safe. Even if something is lost, you will find it because people in Dubai are really nice.
So we are leaving for the day today, and this is the end of the day. We are leaving the Dubai Mall, and this is it for you all. Burj Khalifa and the fountain or what fountain show that I could not show. I was not able to show, but that's it. And let's
Right guys, this is end of this vlog and let's just hope I get the Dubai layover again and then I'll show you other places to explore in Dubai. And I really like the view and this mall also is very nice. Burj Khalifa that I've always wanted to see, I've seen. That's all for now. I hope you liked the vlog. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube.
Okay, so I'm back in my hotel room. आज का दिन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था एंड बहुत हेक्टिक भी था क्योंकि पूरा दिन आई हैव ट्रेवल्ड. ऑब्वियसली बनता था. दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव कम टू दुबई, सो आई हैड टू ट्रैवल द प्लेसेस वेयर आई कैन. तो उसके लिए आई हैव बीन टू मीना बाजार इन दुबई वेयर वी हैव सीन बुर्ज खलीफा एंड वी कुड नॉट सी द फाउंटेन शो बिकॉज इट वॉज क्लोज बिकॉज ऑफ मेंटेनेंस. दिस ऑल. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. Comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and motivate me to make more vlogs, and I am looking forward to have another international layover so that I can give you new tour for a new country. All right, bye bye, see you.